Kids, today we're doing Empties, and I'm really excited about this month, and as you may or may not know, I am doing a Bob series, Beauties on a Budget, and my goal for this year is to use more than I spend. It's been a good month. So let's get into it. First of all, Ardell Mechanical Brow Pencil, $6.90. It was not my favorite because the pencil was like a triangular type shape, and it was really soft, like a pomade, like a stick pomade. But if I'm going to use a pomade, I'd rather it be in a jar with a brush. Yeah, I don't know how this spoolie was. I never used that. It's so big. For eyebrows, I like a small spoolie. So, would I purchase it again? Maybe, if I was in a pinch, sure. I don't intend on purchasing it again. Next was it's the AOA Pawpaw Edition Wonder Blender in the microfiber kind. It was $1.55. Would I buy this again? Never. This was terrible. I'm not even really sure if you can call it an empty. I used it until I couldn't stand to use it anymore. And then I put it back there in my toy box to talk about it. And then somebody stole it. Pooh. Do you know where it went? She doesn't want to talk about it. I saw her playing with it and she ran off with it and I have no idea where it is. So, yeah, that was $1.55. Never, ever, ever would I buy that again. This is the AOA Studio Eye Makeup Remover Pads. There's 30 of them in here. I like to take... I like to take 2 out at a time. That way it's thicker. And I use one on one eye and I flip it over and I use the other one on the other eye. But it's thicker and easier to hold on to. You can use one for both eyes. But I go in with this before I use my cleansing balm just to melt down like the mascara and stuff like that. These are $1. And I really like them. The AOA is the house brand for Shop Miss A. So I will link that below. Next we have the Drunk Elephant Slaai Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. I did not like this. I mean, it cleaned alright, but I did not like the texture of this. Not at all. And this sample is worth $4.02. I would not purchase. This is the Morio Badescu Skincare Glycolic Acid Toner. This was a 1 ounce travel size. And it was fine. Would I go out and buy it? No. Would I use it if I got it again? Yes. It's worth $2.25. Sorry if everything looks a little bit different, but I had to go get a cough drop all of a sudden out of nowhere. Not really out of nowhere, it's allergy season, but I wanted to talk about this. Exuviance. This is the Exuviance Probiotic Lysate Anti-Pollution Essence. It's probiotic. It's 10% probiotic lysate plus 8% polyhydroxy acid. This is on sale right now, and I am seriously thinking about buying it. This was amazing. I loved what it did for my skin. It was a really good product, and this is just a little tiny, what is it? 5 mil or 0.17 fluid ounces, and this lasted me for months. It just, and it's great. So this little tiny sample was worth $2.45, and like I said, it lasted for months, and it did amazing things for my skin. Next, quite the opposite. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge, and this little itty bitty sample, it's a 7 ml sample, is worth $6, and I use this on my neck and my décolleté because I would never use Clinique on my face. I have bad reactions to it. I'm not saying it's a bad product. I'm saying that it does not agree with my skin. My skin gets very angry when I use Clinique. There must be something in there that I'm allergic to. I don't know. Next was the Forever Young by Pierre foot mask. And I really liked this. It was very moisturizing. I really enjoyed using it. And it smelled really good. It smelled like, I don't know what the scent is, but it smells like my great-grandmother's house. Okay, and this was $3. I thought it cost more than that. $3. That's a deal. I'll buy more of those. And then this is the Vaseline Intensive Care Mature Skin Rejuvenation Healing Moisture Lotion. This is a 10-ounce bottle of it. Now, I know I got got this on clearance, and I had like a coupon or something like that. So, I mean, I got this for cheap. And when I looked it up last night to see how much it cost, I mean, I got this for like $2 or something. And when I count for Empties, I count retail. So this was $9. $9. Wow. And it's discontinued. Maybe that's why it's so much. I don't know. Okay, and next was the Avon Footworks. These are the cracked strength, maximum strength, cracked heel cream. And you'll see these every month in my empties. I absolutely love these. These are 2 for $15.95, and they are worth it. Next, there was the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub. I got the Marula and Jasmin. Storm's meowing. Jasmin, and I mean, it's okay. I don't think I will buy this again. Who knows? Maybe I will. $9.38. It was too scrubby. That was my problem. Oh, I'm getting all gooey. It was just too scrubby for my preference. I don't really like a physical exfoliator so much, and that was really scrubby. Next. Now, I don't usually count toothpaste in my purchases or my uses, empties, because, I mean, toothpaste is just something you need. But when I pay $10.50 for a toothpaste, I count it because I consider that a luxury. Currently, I'm using a toothpaste that is just, you know, it's drugstore. I won't count it for anything because that's just hygiene. But this was $10.50 from Sephora, and I absolutely loved it because it's the Marvis toothpaste in Jasmin mint, but it did not taste like mint. In fact, it kind of tastes like grape jelly. Just saying. But it was really good. I have ordered more. I haven't received it, but yeah, it's good. Next. Nexxus This is the HumidRest Ultimate Moisture Conditioner. And this is for normal to dry hair, and I may very well purchase this again. I know I got this during it wasn't 21 Days of Beauty. It was like something that was going on at Ulta. And this retails for $29.99. Next, I have the Olaplex. This is the Hair Perfector number 3. And this repairs and strengthens all hair types. It's not a conditioner. It is a binder. And I haven't bought any more. And oh, that's what it says right here. Not a conditioner. It's a bond builder. Okay, it's a bond builder. Anyways, one of these would last about once a month for me. They're $28. Would I rebuy it? Yes, I've bought multiples of these. I don't even know how many I've bought. But I was having an anger issue with my hair, which sounds really, really stupid, but I just was angry with my hair and I didn't want to spend any money on it, and I was abusing my hair and not even using the products that I had because I'm supposedly losing my hair, so says the doctor. But we just tried a new medication. Maybe I will not be losing my hair. I don't know. Anyways, I'll link it up here if you care to watch. It's pretty much that's all it is. Anyways, Pureology Color Fanatic. This is just try to get in the closet. This is a hair treatment, and it is worth $6.99. That's what it looks like. I hated this. It made my hair really gummy. I don't know another way to put it. It was just sticky. Oh no. I did not like that. And I do color my hair. Well, I haven't colored my hair for a while because I've been worried more about losing it than what the color of it is. But whatever. You know my thing about my hair? I think I just need to get on with it. It's like, live my life, whatever. If it falls out, it falls out. If it doesn't fall out, then it doesn't fall out. Just try whatever makes me healthy and get on with it. It's just hair. Okay, this is the Hollywood Beauty Carrot Cream. It's a hairdress. And like I said, I mean, I used to go through like 2 or 3 of these a month. And I've been forcing myself to do stuff with my hair because I've been angry. And this is $4.44. I bought like a big case of them, so divided up, it's $4.44. This is a brush. This is a very old brush, and it still has hair on it. This was Avon Real Techniques brush, and this cost $11.99. There's nothing wrong with the brush. It's just old, and it was time to get a new one. And since I am paying attention to my hair and trying to do good things for my hair, I thought getting a new brush would be a good start. Next, I have 6 hair ties. And this is worth 6 cents. Now that I have to pay for them, I'm counting them. Next, there was the Glisten and Glow Cuticle Oil Pen. I loved this. That's what it looks like. I loved it. It was the first cuticle oil that I actually really enjoyed using. And I think part of that was the smell. I don't know how to describe the smell, but it smells good. And usually things like this smell really, really bad. But it was just one of those click-up pens. And don't pay attention to my nails right now because they're a mess, because life. Anyways, that cuticle oil was worth $7.75. I got that in a giveaway that I won. I'll put that up here. It was Amanda Alexander was doing giveaways in, I think it was the holiday. Yeah, it was the holiday time, and I won one of the boxes. And this was also in that. I think there was a couple of items in here that was from that. But this is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Top Coat. It's fine. It's a top coat. Is it my favorite? No. Is it usable? Yeah. And I used it. And this was worth $9.99. So I actually got a lot of stuff in that giveaway. It was really cool. This month's total for items used, $171.21. Yay! We did it! That's a lot. And I didn't feel like I had that many items. Oh, do you want to participate in this? The cat who says nothing decided to talk. Okay, so I was really excited about that. It did not look like that many products to me. I was really excited that it was such a large amount, though. So my previous balance was that I had spent $91.38 more than I had used. Our new year-to-date total is that I have used $79.83 more than I have spent. Yes, give me a thumbs up for that. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we will continue on this journey. Bye!